Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Target and we are here to do some deals for the week of the 25th through the 31st of July. We've got some really great gift card deals on skincare and Unisom. And we're also going to pick up some dirt cheap items using Ibotta and the new texting rebate platform called Aisle. So the first thing we're going to grab is some Grove Collaborative. I'm just getting the dish soap this time for $4.99. I love this stuff so much. I've already used the ones that I have. So this is $4.99. You'll get 1,000 kicks back on Shop.with, which is $4, making it 99 cents. But then something happened with this, and I'll talk about it in just a second. But first we're going to pick up the Target To Go wipes. These are $4.99. Now they're not $6.99. There's the tag for them right there. And we have a 25% off Target Circle offer for this, so that will take off $1.25, and then we have a $2 off coupon from the July P&G that will work on this as well. So that's going to bring our total down to $1.74 for this, and I've never used them before, so I thought I would pick them up just to show you something different, and then also to give them a shot because maybe they're actually pretty good. I don't know. So I ended up putting the Grove Collaborative back because the offer was gone when I was in the store. It did come back for me the next day at a reduced amount of kicks, so that's up to you if you want to try it. It probably is not a bad deal if your store is clearanced and then to get those kicks back. So next we're going to grab this super cheap cleaning product for $3.49. This Scotch-Brite is full price, but there is a 50% off Target Circle offer for these in your app, so clip that to your account. Now some stores have peelies, mine had peelies, so then that's going to bring your total down to just $1.24. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get back $1 on each one of these. Now there is a limit of 5 that you can do this on Ibotta, but there's only a limit of 4 that you can do these in the Target Circle offer. So just make a note of that if you want to get a lot of these. I only grabbed 2 because I'm not sure if it's a great cleaner or not. I'll definitely give it a shot. But anyways, I think that is an amazing deal. So next we're going to pick up the Milk Bar cookies. These are $4.99 in store. We don't have any coupons for these, but you're going to text your receipt to Aisle to get $3 back. Now with Aisle, your number is connected to your Venmo account automatically, and so you don't have to do anything except just text it to them. And then if you have a Venmo account, shortly you will have the money sent directly to your Venmo. Now they are extremely overwhelmed right now, so definitely be patient with that. So I'm looking forward to using them more in the future. So next we're going to do the Unisom deal. The Unisom at my store is on sale for $9.99 a piece, and when you buy 3 of these you will get back a $5 gift card. So I'm definitely going to pick up 3 of these, and the total for them are going to equal out to $29.97. So then we're going to use an $8 off digital coupon that's in your Target Circle app. We're also going to use 2 $8 off coupons from the $7.25 Smart Source. And then that is going to bring our total down to $5.97. You'll get back that $5 gift card, making the 3 of these 97 cents or 33 cents a piece. Insane. Then we're going to do this skincare promotion where you buy 3, you get back $5 gift card. I am grabbing 3 of these Neutrogena body washes at $6.49 a piece. I'm going to use 2 printable coupons that are no longer available for $3 off a piece, and then I'm going to submit my receipt to coupons.com for the other $3 off. So that'll bring your total down to $10.47, and you'll get back a $5 gift card, making these just $5.47 for the 3 of them, or $1.82 a piece. Next we're going to do the soft soap deal. The soft soap is just a regular price, but we have a really nice Target Circle offer where you spend $10, you'll automatically get $5 off, and you can definitely combine that with manufacturer coupons. My store was wiped out of the small little hand soaps, so I grabbed 2 of the refills and then a small little hand soap, and that'll equal out to $10.57. I'm going to use these 50% off printable coupons from Softsoap.com. Then that is going to bring our total down to $4.57 for these 3 items. There's no gift card associated with this deal, so it's just going to be $4.57 for the 3 of them. And I think that is a really good deal for the big jugs of these, and it's definitely something that you can donate.
All right, guys, so I am back in from Target, and this is everything that I have. And I have a little Rite Aid moneymaker over there to show you as well. I was going to do a separate video with Rite Aid, but I decided that I was just going to leave it be with just that great moneymaker. So let's talk about these deals. So the Tide to Go wipes are $4.99. This is something I've never gotten before, so if you've used these, are they any good? There's a 25% off Target Circle offer for these, so you have to have that clipped to your account. And then I used a $2 off coupon from the July P&G on these, making them $1.74. Then I grabbed these milk cookies. They are $4.99 in the store, which is kind of expensive, but there's a $3 offer back on Aisle. So if you want to check out Aisle, it's actually really interesting. A side note about that, if you've never used Aisle before, if you get 2 items on your first receipt submitted to Aisle, you'll get an additional $5 back. And I didn't do that because I didn't know there was any type of bonuses or anything like that with it when you first signed up. So note to self, definitely do that if you want to sign up for Aisle. There's no referral codes or anything like that, but I will have a link down below for you. And these look really good. Then the Scotch-Brite, this was fun. I made a TikTok about this, and I think I put it up on Tuesday. But these are $3.49 in the store. And then there is a 50% off Target Circle offer on them, making them $1.74. They had 50-cent peelies on them, but there's only a limit of 1 on there. And when I took the peelies off, I don't know if it's because it's been so humid, but it rubbed off some of the barcode, and that was a whole mess in the store trying to get them, not trying to get them to fix it, but they were having a hard time trying to figure out what to do. So I ended up just not using them because it was literally 15 minutes maybe standing there, and I felt like I was being a bother. So then you would pay $1.74 in store or $1.24, and then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1 back on each one of those as well, making them 74 cents or 24 cents a piece. Next is the Unisom. The Unisom is such a good deal this week. Granted, it's not a moneymaker, but it's still a good deal even if it's not a moneymaker in my opinion. So these are normally $10.99. Now the store I went to, they were on sale for $9.99. But I've noticed some people that report this deal, their stores weren't $9.99. So you would just, of course, take that into consideration. So the 3 of these would equal out to $29.97. But we have an $8 off digital coupon in our Target app that you can use on those. And then there's $8 printables and $8 insert coupons. And the insert coupon comes from the 724 Smart Source, I do believe. So that's going to take off $24, and you're going to pay $5.97 in the store, but you'll get back a $5 gift card for buying 3 of them, making the 3 of them just 97 cents. And I think that's pretty incredible when you can take something that's $30 at a very reasonably priced store and get it down to $1. So granted, one of these we got and they were like, they were a good money maker, but getting 3 of them together for $1 is still crazy good to me. Next is the Neutrogena body scrub. Now, I did a promotion last week where I got some Q-tips and a Clean and Clear product. That promotion seems to still be going on because the signs are still up and all of the same products that I noticed are still tagged, like the Q-tips. But I did something different this week, and I did the body scrub, and I got 3 of them, and they are normal priced at $6.49 a piece. So the 3 of them together would equal out to $19.47. I used 2 $3 off printable coupons, and then I submitted my receipt to coupons.com to get $3 back on the other body wash there because I only had 2 coupons on me. So that will equal out to $10.47 for the 3 of these, which is, I think, a decent deal considering what the product is. but then you're going to get back a $5 gift card, making them $5.47 for 3 of them, or just $1.82 a piece. Then we have the Softsoap deal. This was also a fun one. And we had a really great offer in the Target Circle offers in our app. And it was spend $10, get $5 off. So that's automatically saving 50% right there. So the 3 of these items will equal out to $10.57. Take that $5 off the Target Circle offer, and you can pair it with manufacturer coupons. I used 2 50-cent printable coupons, and that brought the total down to $4.57 for 3 of them, or $1.52 a piece. Now I know that there is a certain scent floating around at certain Dollar Trees. I think it's a citrus scent that's in the big jug right here. And if you can find those at Dollar Tree, you can use your 50-cent off coupons there, but my Dollar Tree doesn't have them. All right, so let's take a look at our receipt. So here is the receipt for everything. There is the $5 off Softsoap. Don't mind the airheads, that's just a little treat. But there is everything that I got. There was such a mess with this right here. They could not figure out how to price adjust the item down, or they couldn't figure out the math. I'm not sure what was going on there, but what was the issue was it was already reduced down to 50%. They were having a hard time adjusting it down even further with the coupon. As you can see, they only got one down to $1.50, which it shouldn't have been that. So I'm just gonna take it as it is and just be more careful with my peelies next time. So there is my total there for $35.23. What we're going to do is we are going to take off the airheads, and the Tide was on a separate day that I did this. So we'll figure that cost in as well. So the total for everything after coupons was $33.98. I got back the $10 gift card, as you can see right there. And then I got back $2 on Ibotta for the Scotch-Brite. I got back $3 on Aisle for the milk cookies. And then I got back $3 on coupons.com for the Body Clear body scrub. So that brings my total down to $15.98. And considering that that was originally $30 right there, I'll take it as a big win. So super, super happy with that. And then this little guy right here, oh my goodness, I wish I could do more, but the canned cat food at Rite Aid is a crazy, crazy good deal. So the Purina is buy 2, get 5 this week at Rite Aid. Well, the small cans of cat food are included as well. So these are $1.09 at Rite Aid, but if you have the gold discount, then they would be 87 cents. And the total for these would be $3.48. I got back $10 in bonus cash, making these free and a $6.52 moneymaker. Now, the reason why I got $10 back is because this is a limit of 2. A lot of Rite Aid deals, almost all of them, are a limit of 2 if they're a weekly deal, and a limit of 4 if they're a monthly deal, because there's monthly deals and weekly deals there. So let's take a look at the receipt really quick. So here they are at 87 cents a piece. Sorry for the receipt, I was writing on the back of it. So these were 87 cents a piece, and I paid $3.48. Then I got back $10 in bonus cash. And then here is where I reached my limit for the week for doing it 2 times. And that is such an awesome deal. So I'm definitely gonna keep these on hand. My cat doesn't necessarily eat wet food, but I know like if your cat is sick or something like that, then the wet food is good for them for certain reasons. You know what I mean? So it's good to have a couple of cans of wet food on hand. So anyways, guys, that is everything that I have for you today at Target. And I think it went really, really well, despite the little hiccup. But you know what? Every day in life, there are hiccups. And you just gotta roll with it, guys. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an incredible day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Because we had an amazing offer in the Target Circle app for this. We had We had an amazing offer in the Target. Oh my goodness. I think that is an incredible deal to spend less than,